All right, so we're here at the wood shop. We've got a new CNC machine going in today. We have the crane back there, and we're just waiting for the truck that's bringing the rest of the CNC machine. Right now we have one piece that's in the building, and we're just waiting for the other piece. So we're here at our shop in Provo. As you can see by the mountains, there's snow, but we are just waiting on that truck. Everyone's doing what they can to get everything kind of situated in the building. We've got another couple guys that are moving another, I believe it's a belt sander, and so they're rerouting that and the lines for the dust collector. And so we've got that going on, the CNC machine going in. We got this crane here. So we're just kind of waiting on that. Here's the man, the myth, and the legend.
Hey, how's
himself.
it going? We got a new toy today.
Yeah.
It's still coming.
So is this the...
This is the vacuum pump for it. The rest of the CNC machine's coming in any minute now. We're actually running late, so.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, so piece number one, I guess. First piece is going in.
Seems like a lot of vacuum 5x10.
That's stuck on over there.
Did you break that top?
So I'm going to show you really quick where this new CNC machine's going. Hopefully the audio isn't too loud. So the CNC machine's going to go right here in this spot. So we just moved everything out of the shop so we can put it in there. Tight fit in here. So this is our old CNC machine that we're replacing. So the CNC machine, we just found out from the person that's supposed to be shipping it here that it won't be here today. It's supposed to be here right now. I mean, obviously you can see the crane's gone. Our moving crew is still here, just kind of moving that last piece, but I guess we will continue this later when this comes back. Stay tuned, we're gonna have another video here soon of when that arrives. We'll kind of show you the process of putting it into the building, installing it and everything. Thanks for sticking around.